So there's another kind of there's a lot of different kinds of special enrollment period, but another kind, this is really important. Let's say that you're on an HMO. Now we already established an HMO has a defined network. Your doctors are in the same area. You guys probably have, you got Comal County, and then you've got Bexar County probably, and maybe Blanco, and so you've got this cluster of counties right here, but your doctors, you're not going to be able to go to see the doctor in Dallas. They're not going to be in there. So they're going to be right in that area. What happens if you move outside of your coverage area? You're going to need a new plan. So you're going to tell Social Security when you move, because you want to keep getting your Social Security check, or you want to keep getting your Medicare updates. You're going to get a special enrollment period that starts before you move, and it goes 63 days after you move. And you'll be able to get onto a different Advantage plan if that's what you have, or pay close attention. It's your one opportunity to go from here to here, no questions asked. Guaranteed issue. How often is it that someone gets a catastrophic diagnosis of some sort, and they say, I'm going to move to be closer to my kids? I'm not going to move in with them. I'm just going to move to be closer so that they can look in on me if I need help, or I can spend some time with my grandkids. That's your one opportunity to move from here to here. Permanent change of residence, moving outside of the area of your HMO plan. That probably won't work with a PPO, because PPOs tend to have national networks, but with the HMOs, it'll work.